This is the Casio G-Shock MRGB2000RG3A, a $3,800 ultra-premium G-Shock that blends cutting-edge technology with centuries of Japanese craftsmanship. The MRG line represents the pinnacle of G-Shock, big, bold, and built to last. Measuring nearly 50 millimeters across and 17 millimeters thick, this titanium case is no small presence. But thanks to Casio's clever faceted design, it actually wears closer to 45 millimeters, making it surprisingly wearable even on moderate wrists. The case finishing is where things get special. Each chamfer is Salaz polished, and the bezel is made from recrystallized titanium, inspired by the temper lines of samurai swords. Add in gold, DLC accents on the screws and crown, and you've got a watch that's rugged yet refined. On the dial, Casio introduces Kurogane Iro, a deep blue-green shade once used on samurai armor. Paired with gold hands and indices, plus a bold tortoiseshell texture, it creates a dial that's rich, layered, and unmistakably Japanese. Inside beats Casio's Module 5625 solar quartz movement, packing world time, a second time zone, a chronograph, countdown timer, perpetual calendar, Bluetooth connectivity, radio-controlled accuracy, and a staggering 26-month solar power reserve. This is technology and toughness at its peak. Even the strap tells a story, a Dura-Soft rubber band decorated with the Bishamon Kiko pattern, linked to the warrior god Bishamonten. Thick, breathable, and bold, it completes the samurai-inspired theme. The Casio G-Shock MRGB2000RG3A is not just a watch, it's an armored piece of Japanese artistry for the wrist, big, powerful, and steeped in tradition. Would you spend $3,800 on this ultra-premium G-Shock? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch reviews.